Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of my Cocoa Daisy kits from their daily journal collection. And then we're going to be doing a plan with me as I put together my monthly calendar. So this collection has a lot of mixed media elements, stitching, stamping, watercolor. This is my planner add-on kit. It comes with a patch and a clip. My box also had this very pretty, cute When Life Gets Blurry Adjust the Focus sticker. I'm not sure if that was kit specific or just for all subscribers. This is a sticky notepad for habit tracking. Then we have two washies, one in the standard thickness and one that is really thin. And I'm going to open these up so you can see. This really thin one is ombre, and it goes from like a light green to a teal turquoise color to a dark green and then back to blues and greens again. Pretty much all of these blues and greens that you see throughout the kit are kind of in this thin washi. I really like it. I'm having a little trouble getting it back on the roll, but like I said, after I unbox my kits, we're gonna set up a plan with me, and I think you'll get to see both of these washies when we do that. This is the washi that's the regular width, and they call it the mixed media washi, and it has text and stamping and paint splatters, very kind of quintessentially mixed media themed. Again, another washi that I really like, a washi cutter. It's an acrylic that you can use to help tear your washi. Then we have the adhesive die cuts. I was trying to shake them so that you can kind of see the mix, but they didn't want to move very much. So we are going to open this up. There are the tabs that they always have, some labels, the weekend banner, and then a bunch of different icons with butterflies and cameras and feathers, and it's all very, very cute, and I'm hoping that I can incorporate them into this smaller planner. Next, we have our glassine bag with the cards and sticker sheets for the add-on kit. So we have a couple of 3x4 kind of decorative cards, pocket cards. Then we have the 3x4 swatch card. And then we have this half sheet of functional label or functional text, deco, an alphabet and numbers, labels, and then days of the week. And then the 4x6 quote card. And then after that, we have the rub-ons for the add-on kit. Again, I am still humming and hawing about what I am wanting to do with my subscription for this kit. There are so many great pieces to this kit, but there are a lot of pieces that I don't use anymore now that I'm in the Jibun Techo. The pieces that I do use, I'm super attached to those. So we shall see. These two sheets right here are the Daisy Weeks calendar stickers. Love those as well. And then I grabbed a packet of mild liners. We're going to jump into the Jibun Techo here. I'm going to start pulling off some of my reminder stickers, and we are going to jump into setting up this monthly spread for September. I have a typical routine or formula, or whichever word you want to use when it comes to setting up my planners each month. Even when I had my Get to Work book, I always started with my monthly spread. So that is what I do here. And that starts with my monthly banner from the calendar weeks kit, sticker kit. I made a little bit of an alignment error when I went to go put it down. So I added the mixed media washi right there and then put the monthly banner on top. I'm not going to lie, it is a lot going on, but I really love the way that it looks. It really kind of embodies the mixed media feel of this collection, and even though it's busy, it doesn't like hurt my eyes. Whereas those big, bold, like dark red stickers from last month's monthly spread really just, I hated looking at my monthly spread with those big stickers. But for some reason, I just really like the way that this looks together on my banner. Moving forward, I'm putting down my this month and next month kind of catch-all stickers. I write anything and everything that's coming up or might be happening this month in the top and next month on the bottom. They don't always end up in those spots, but it's a nice way to kind of use the space from the extra days from the previous month. And it really helps me when I'm setting up my weekly section. So I'm going to add in 2 half strips of the washi. This again is that mixed media washi. I'm using the the washi cutter, and it's not super straight for whatever reason. But we are rolling with it. I like to put the washi down right here because these stickers are meant to just be pulled off the sheet and laid across a week's journal or something with those dimensions. And so it's just a little bit too narrow for a B6 Slim. And so I just cut each one, and I'm not worried about cutting them straight. So the washi not only covers up the text printed on the page, but it also kind of adds like a grounding section for my days of the week. Next, we're going to add in the numbers. I am going with the add-on numbers this month. I briefly discussed those big red numbers from last month that I got from the main kit. They were kind of a banner style sticker. They are not my favorite. And I was like really avoiding my August monthly layout because I just really did not like those big red ones. So we're going with the circles. The circles still are not my favorite, but I really like the white and the varied colors. So that's what we're doing this month. I could always leave them plain, but then I feel like they blend in too much. So we will see. I went ahead and filled in my paydays for me and my husband. We're going to start adding some kind of deco stickers. I don't add too much extra decoration. My planners are primarily for function. I use my planner every single day. I write in them every single day for keeping my life in track for all different things. I don't have a separate planner for planning. So for me, I do a little bit of decoration when I set up my pages, but after that, what's down is down, and then we move on to the next month. So it doesn't have to be perfect, and I don't add a lot because I need the space for writing. So I did add a little weeks box that says Labor Day and re-added our no school sticker on top of that, and then added another box from the weeks that says last day of summer. There was also a first day of fall sticker in there, but as you can see, I have a lot going on the 22nd, so we are going to probably add that in the weekly section. The kids have a field trip coming up, so I'm going to add that there. I also added our one bill that is not on an auto pay, and then we're going to go into adding in some birthdays, I believe here. I flipped through a couple pages just to make sure I have everything down. I re-added the update workdays reminder sticker there. I do have a Hobonichi weekly kind of supplement. It's really small. I don't use it for planning. I use it for notes for my job. But a lot of those notes are more private, so they don't need to go in my actual planner, and they're not really planning notes. They're just like work related notes. So I keep that separate, and I keep track of my work days since I don't work every day. Going back to my planner, I grabbed a couple of rub-ons for some of our birthdays coming up. I have my birthday and 2 of my close friends' birthdays are all in the next month. They're all within kind of 2 weeks' time. So it's really fun decorating our planner, my planner, for that. We're going to add in a label sticker. I love that the weeks comes with these little cake icons, and I'm going to add a little heart. So that's one of our birthdays. And again, I use these translucent flags for repositional kind of ongoing things. So some of them say birthdays, so I grabbed that one up. And then the other ones are for home games for our school. I'm checking to see if there's any other birthdays besides me and my 2 friends. None that need to go on my monthly spread. And we're going to add that last sticker in. And I think that is it before I add the actual writing. So at the end, I will be adding a couple still photos so you can see what it looks like after I add in all of the actual writing. I am flipping through my PMD stash there. Oh, I'm going to add an E. My daughter has a field trip that I'm going to add in. And then I will go back in with pen and mark a lot of these things. Well, here you go. See, I'm going to move some of our fall sports ahead. And that is good, I think. So thank you for spending time with me. Hit like and or subscribe. Leave any comments below and check out the stills. Bye.